Welcome, today I'm friend of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's just first launch the Movies Edge application. Okay, and after that we can see all the available tabs. We have selected the first one, so let's just use this one, the second one. Tap here to apply to change the theme. We can also switch here the backgrounds of the stem, so let's use this one for example. We can here change the music controls to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. Also we can turn on or turn off the notifications from different apps. Also we can turn on or turn off to show the date and battery status always while device charging or just to don't show it. After that, just tap here to the settings section, click to AOD, and here we can also change the show always on display on lock screen always while device charging and while we'll play the music. Also we can use these two features separately. Also we can switch screen timeout from 1 minute just to don't hide the AOD. We can decrease or increase the brightness level of the always on display feature, and we can also close AOD by double or single tap on the home screen, lock screen, sorry. And if for example if you want to close your the always on display feature with the fingerprint, we can also turn on this feature. And just one more way how we can do that, we just can set up here the schedule. We can set the start and the end time of the always on display. And that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our DOOGEE device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.